Manchester United need a plethora of signings to go ahead and challenge for the Premier League title. And today at the Sportical, we'll be discussing 5 transfers and of course rumours. And we are starting right now. It's hard to imagine that a decade back, there was only one club in Manchester which was considered world class. Now also there's only one club that's considered world class. So my player number 5 will be Adrian Rabiot. The reason being, Matic simply can't keep up with people. He can't go ahead and track back runners. He can't go ahead and defend the back four. He can't go ahead and do the simple things. And his passing accuracy this season has been below 80%. That's lower than Adam Lallana. Like, come on. All things said, also we should consider this, that Adrian Rabiot plays in a 3-man midfield, something that the manager at Manchester obviously loves. So he'll be a perfect fit and he is available on a cheap and I think the first area of improvement for Manchester United has to be the defense. It has to be the defense. The reason being, they don't have defenders. Simply put, Maguire isn't any good. Phil Jones is pure shit. And even if you talk about someone like Marcus Rojo, he also keeps on getting injured on a daily basis. So Manchester United right now need a defender more than ever. Someone like a Koulibaly might be the answer, might not be the answer. But then again, they need to go ahead and purchase a first-time defender right away. Koulibaly might almost tick all the boxes, I feel so. I'm still skeptical whether he'll go ahead and, he'll be able to adapt to the English game or not. But then again, he's a great player in the Serie A, and I'm sure if I'd have a buck, I'd go ahead and take a risk on Koulibaly. I think that'll be my player. The other player I'd really be excited about if I was a Manchester United fan would be Jadon Sancho. Simply put, he's the brightest youngster out there in the world. Period. Apart from him, how can you? Okay, apart from him as well. Okay, there are a lot of good young players, but Jadon Sancho is the one that's available. Okay. Now I totally accept that the front three in Manchester United have been absolutely amazing since the restart. Remember this. They have been great since the restart only, so it is not a guarantee that they'll perform next season. Another player that Manchester United should consider will be Declan Rice from West Ham United, because he has given more than 30 goals to his team in the last 3 years. He has more than 100 appearances and he has the most interceptions outside the top 6 teams apart from NDD. I think considering that Declan Rice is an English player, it will be a fantastic investment. Considering his price tag will be in the range of 20 million, that shouldn't be much, and his wages aren't that much. Plus, more shirt sales, more sponsorship from the English crowd for Manchester United. Now that's a win-win. So the player that I think that Manchester United should sign for sure is James Maddison. Reason being, they get a right winger who can cut in from the left. He's great at free kicks. He'll be available on a really low budget basically. He'll cost you nothing, next to nothing when you compare it to Pogba and Maguire. He has certainly transformed Leicester. Like, let's be honest, he and Jamie Vardy have transformed Leicester absolutely this season. So if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, go ahead and press the bell icon as well as subscribe to this channel. Just in case if you have any video ideas, then you can put them in the comments section below.